Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel, Gajpal A Learning. In this video we are going to study about the topic sensory system, that is tongue, which is a part of B Pharmacy first semester, Human Anatomy and Physiology Part 1. So let's start. Objective of this video is to study about introduction to tongue, structure and function of tongue, disorders of tongue with their treatment involved. Definition. The tongue is a muscular organ in the oral cavity responsible for taste, speech, and swallowing. It has taste buds responsible for taste sense, moves food during chewing, and aids in forming sounds for speech. Next, structure of the tongue. These involves muscles. First, intrinsic muscles, muscles within the tongue that control its shape. Second, extrinsic muscles, muscles outside the tongue that control its position and movement. Second, papillae. First, filiform papillae, thread-like papillae covering the tongue surface. Second, fungiform papillae, mushroom-shaped papillae containing taste buds. Third, circumvallate papillae, large, circular papillae at the back of the tongue. Fourth, foliate papillae, vertical folds on the sides of the tongue. Now the third in structure is mucous membrane. It is the moist lining of the tongue that keeps it lubricated and protects it. These contain small glands that secrete saliva. Fourth is lingual frenulum. This is the thin band of tissue connecting the tongue to the floor of the mouth. It helps stabilize the position of the tongue. Next is function of throat. First, speech and articulation. It assists in producing speech sounds by interacting with other oral structures, and shaped sounds by coordinating movements with the teeth, palate, and lips. Second is taste sensation. Taste buds on papillae detect different tastes: sweet, sour, bitter, salty, and umami. Papillae, especially fungiform and circumvallate, contain taste buds. Third, chewing and swallowing. Tongue manipulates food between the teeth and mixes it with saliva during chewing, forms a bolus, chewed food mass, and propels it backward during swallowing. Fourth, cleaning and lubrication. Moves to remove food particles and bacteria from teeth and gums, and distributes saliva to moisten the mouth, facilitating speech and swallowing. Fifth, sensory perception. It contains sensory receptors for touch, temperature, and pain, and contributes to the perception of sensations in the oral cavity. Now the last is disorders of the tongue with the treatment involved. First, tongue thrust. Tongue thrust is a condition where the tongue pushes forward against the teeth during swallowing, speech, or at rest. Treatment. Working with a speech therapist or orthodontist to correct the swallowing pattern and realign the teeth. Second, geographic tongue. Geographic tongue is a condition characterized by irregular, map-like patches on the surface of the tongue. Treatment. Avoiding triggers like spicy or acidic foods, practicing good oral hygiene. Third, oral thrush. Oral thrush is a fungal infection caused by Candida albicans. Treatment. Antifungal medications, oral rinses, lozenges, good oral hygiene, addressing underlying causes. Fourth, glossitis. Glossitis refers to inflammation of the tongue, caused by infections, nutritional deficiencies, or allergic reactions. Treatment. Use of antibiotics, antifungal medications, addressing nutritional deficiencies, managing allergies, oral rinses or ointments to reduce inflammation. Fifth, tongue tie. Tongue tie, ankyloglossia, is a condition where the lingual frenulum restricts the movement of the tongue. Treatment. Frenotomy or frenuloplasty procedure to release or loosen the frenulum for improved tongue mobility. Sixth, oral cancer. Oral cancer can develop on the tongue or other areas of the mouth. Treatment. Treatment involves surgery, radiation therapy, chemotherapy, or a combination based on the stage and extent of the cancer. Thanks for watching this video.